Welcome. I'm Christina Feingold, Assistant Director for Management and Leadership Effectiveness in the Center for Workplace Development at Harvard University. The purpose of this orientation is to provide general information about Harvard ManageMentor and walk through a demo. Harvard ManageMentor is a fantastic resource available to all Harvard University employees. It's a resource that you have access to on your desktop through the Harvard Training Portal. You can use it individually at your desk for on-demand skill building as a resource. You can use it in your team meetings for discussions. And at the Center for Workplace Development, I think you will notice that we are using articles and videos and tools and other resources from Harvard ManageMentor in our sessions that you may attend. Let's look at the agenda. So we'll give you an overview of Harvard ManageMentor, then we'll go into the demo, and we'll close. Here's how you access the Harvard ManageMentor resource from the Harvard Training Portal. As soon as you come in, you'll see it where the red arrow is drawn. You'll see it third row down, Harvard ManageMentor. You start there. After clicking there, you'll be presented with a list of all the courses. In this demonstration or in this example, I would be clicking on goal setting, and I'd simply hit the launch button, and I'd be brought into the module. Ashley, do you want to share a little bit about an overview of the ManageMentor resource?
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Christina, for the introduction. It's a pleasure to be joining you all today. And as Christina said, I am Ashley Scott, and I'm the Program Manager from Harvard Business Publishing's Corporate Learning Division that's been working with Harvard University to implement Harvard ManageMentor. Over the next 10 minutes or so, I'll provide you with an overview and demonstration of Harvard ManageMentor. Before the demo, I'd like to provide a high-level overview of what you'll find in Harvard ManageMentor, also referred to as HMM. There's 41 full topics and more than 220 lessons. We also have microbursts of learning and additional resources that I'll share with you. This includes Develop Others and CAFE materials to support collaborative learning in addition to formal and informal just-in-time learning. Secondly, HMM has an engaging experience that you'll see shortly, and we also know that different people have different learning styles and varied point-in-time needs. Therefore, we have built HMM to engage today's learners with multiple formats, styles of videos, infographics, and a really clean design so you can quickly find what it is that you need. HMM also has a work-based approach. We've added an enhanced focus on work-based learning, and this is apparent in the content, which is now written with more real-world workplace examples, as well as the learning design, where we've structured shorter bursts of learning with practice and reflection exercises that are closer to the core learning, as well as we provide you with an opportunity to apply that learning on the job. So now that we've gone through a brief overview, let me share my screen and we'll get going with the demo. As we walk through HMM together, I encourage you to think about how you can best use HMM to support your needs and those of your colleagues. So let's dive into the learning experience for a topic. Let's use the topic diversity today as an example of a topic that relates to a current organizational objective across the university. HMM is a great place to turn to for resources and foundational materials, as well as collaborative materials to help in supporting that objective. Here you'll see the topic landing page begins with a discover or an introductory video, which you can think of as sort of a movie trailer. You'll see the topic objectives, which outline what it is that you'll learn in the topic, aligned to each one of the lessons you'll see in any given topic. You can also click here to learn more about the completion criteria, which is what is required for getting completion of a topic in a more formal manner. It is the same for all topics and for all learners, and that criteria is to complete all lessons contained within that topic. Christina, can you walk us through how completions are made visible in the Harvard University Training Portal?
Absolutely. So once you've completed an entire course, so all the lessons in a particular course, you return back to the Harvard training portal, back to where you originally entered the particular course. You will click on the course title. So here you'll click on budgeting. You'll be brought to this next screen, and you'll want to click on the Evaluate button as highlighted in the lower right-hand corner. And then you'll want to click on two additional buttons when presented with this screen. On the left, you'll want to click so that completed HMM course gets checked off, and then you'll want to move to the lower right-hand corner to mark complete. And then finally, you'll want to make sure successful is checked off or highlighted, and you'll click the yes button. Once you've made those steps, you can see in the Harvard Training Portal that this course will show up as completed in your training summary.
Great. Thank you so much, Christina. And as a reminder, not only will you see your progress recorded in the Harvard University Training Portal, but you'll also see illuminated green icons indicating that you've progressed through various areas within that topic. So now let's return back to the topic landing page, and what you'll see as you scroll down is you'll see links to the top 3 Editor's Choice articles, which are featured HBR digital articles. You'll also see here some featured resources, and beneath that you can click to see all videos, articles, and tools. This will bring you to a page that aggregates all of the Editor's Choice articles, articles from the Harvard collection, tools that include one-page overviews, worksheets, assessments, and tips, as well as all of the videos that are embedded within a topic. This is a great place to come to quickly browse a topic to find a resource of interest. And from here and any other page in HMM, you can simply copy and paste the link and share it out with others in the organization. Allow me to return to the topic landing page. From here, you'll see the table of contents for that topic. And once you get there, you'll see that you can get started immediately by taking the first lesson, or you can go to whichever one of the lessons is most applicable to you at that time. They're designed to work sequentially, but they do not need to be taken in any specific order. You can just come into the specific lesson that's best for you at that time. We do encourage you to come in, take a lesson, chunk it out. Each lesson is designed to take about 20 to 40 minutes, whereas if you sit down and take the entire topic at one time, you could be dedicating 2 to 3 hours in total. We've designed it with these more short bursts of learning to help break it up into more digestible pieces. As time allows, you can come in and complete as you're able. When you get into a lesson, let's use, for example, fostering inclusivity, you'll see that the structure of every lesson is consistent. It follows the pattern of learn, practice, and reflect. Within the Learn page, as you work through the material, you'll find content is presented in a variety of formats. You'll see videos, including brief description, a bio about the thought leader, and a transcript. You'll also see quick infographics that help you visualize key concepts like how to foster inclusivity by helping people feel welcome. You'll see illustrative examples. You'll see call-outs in the right-hand pane, including resources you saw like the Editor's Choice articles, the articles from the Harvard collection, as well as tools, but you might see something like a statistic or a poll as well. What I'll note is that at the bottom of the page, again, you'll see a highlight of a couple of different Editor's Choice articles, and then you must click on Complete. And what that does is clicking on the Complete button will illuminate that green progress indicator to allow you to then move forward to the next exercise. So here you're brought to the practice page, and this provides you with an opportunity to practice the concepts that you've just learned. This could be in the form of a scenario, a series of reflection questions, or self-assessments and evaluations like you see here, and this one designed to help you break a goal into specific tasks as you think about fostering inclusivity. So finally, the reflect section. And the reflect section of every lesson includes 2 questions. And those questions are, what new insights do you have? And what are the biggest opportunities for applying these concepts in your workplace? These reflections are only visible to you, and they do get carried forward as well for reference if you decide to create an on-the-job action plan. Once you've gone through and done all of the lessons, that's where you've earned your completion and should return to the portal and mark that course as complete. However, we do have a couple of additional opportunities for you to enhance your learning. First is an assessment, which is a quick 10-minute knowledge check designed to measure your understanding of the topic's key performance goals. And we also have the on-the-job page. And what the on-the-job section includes is an area and gives you this opportunity to reinforce the learning over time and allowing you to, again, apply it in the workplace. This experiential component is great because the more that you can tangibly apply what you've learned and hold yourself accountable, the more that you'll get out of it. For this optional learning activity, you'll follow 4 steps that you see here to select areas of focus and then monitor your growth. First, you'll rate your proficiency in applying the skills from the topic to your job. Next, you'll pick one of the skills to focus on over any given point of time that you can set your target date of, ranging anywhere from, say, a month up to 3 months. And your goal there will be to improve your ability over that time to apply the skills consistently in your workplace. Next, you'll go on to identify 1 or more action items for applying your selected skill. And then last, what you'll do is you'll come in and reflect on the outcomes. And also, we encourage you to keep your manager, keep your direct reports informed of your progress and your accomplishments. So for topic completion, again, that's once you've gone through all the lessons, but feel free to use the assessments, feel free to use on the job, as well as a couple of other resources, including here a quick read. And the quick read will give you all of the key concepts of that entire topic in about 20 minutes. I like to think of this as a sort of Cliff Notes version of the topic that you can return to get a quick refresher on the material that's covered within that topic. And then lastly, the Develop Others materials. HMM provides you with some great materials so that you can cascade the learning with these resources. And each topic contains 2 discussion kits or 2 Develop Others kits. Then you can think of them as a sort of meeting in a box because they include a ready-made email invitation, discussion guides, and slides with facilitator notes. All of these can be adapted to be anywhere from a 15-minute meeting all the way up to a 45-minute meeting. Customizing these materials, you can review them with your colleagues, managers, and direct reports to facilitate a conversation or team discussion about how, take for example, you can be more inclusive or perhaps retain diverse employees. So now that we've walked through HMM together, I'll leave you with an overview of a few of the use cases for leveraging HMM. Of course, for on-demand performance support, as well if you want to build proficiency and deeper skills in a specific topic through a more formal and structured learning experience. If you want to apply the learning in the workplace and hold yourself accountable by creating an on-the-job action plan, or if you want to lead discussions with ready-made meeting materials using the Develop Others. That wraps up everything that I want to cover today. I do want to mention that if you need any technical support, you can reach out to our Harvard Business Publishing 24 technical support team, and you can also reach out to the Harvard University training team for any additional questions. Christina, back to you to wrap things up.
Thank you, Ashley, and thank you for listening to our orientation today. Feel free to share this resource with your colleagues and encourage them to check out Harvard ManageMentor as well. Thank you.